Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an event to the Pockit application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the dashboard button from the menu section and tap on the plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you have to type in the name of your event into this first box. Then describe the event for everyone. So type it into this box. And after that you can also enter references, but it's totally optional, so you can add more than one, as you can see by tapping on the add a reference button. If you are done with these steps, tap on the save button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. You are going to see that your event has been created successfully and it appears in this first section. If you tap on it, you are going to see all of the details, and if you tap on the plus icon you can add notes, images, people and sub events to it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.